Hi guys, so we're at an open house right now here in Grande Prairie, Alberta. We don't know what this house is looking like, but Anna, who's our favorite real estate agent, is having an open house, so we're gonna go inside and see what we can capture. Now there's gonna be other persons there, so we might not be able to do an in-depth tour of this house, but we're gonna try and sneak some footage for you guys. So please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Let's go inside. Yeah.
But the outside isn't that bad either.
I kind of like it. I like this. I really like that. Right? Yeah.
How many rooms is this?
3 bedrooms.
What kind of houses? I don't know what it is.
Okay, so this is Canada. We like to park our car.
Okay, oh, this is the garage.
Yeah, so we like to buy lots of food. And then we bring it from there to there. And then this is your mud room. Yeah, so you've got your boots, you've got your, yeah. Yeah, right?
Got a
Yeah.
mudroom. We need
Right.
one of these.
Mud room.
Different house now.
This is nice.
I want a different
What is
house.
this going? What is this going for?
Yes, yes. 689.
689.
Yeah, so brand new build, you get 10-year new home warranty, 1-year builder's warranty, and $8,000 appliance allowance, which is great.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah, and what else? The siding is concrete
Take off your boots.
fiber. Yeah. So the siding is fiber.
Taking off your imaginary boots.
Yeah, yeah.
Shake off the mud. Shake off the mud.
Yeah, what else? The driveway at some point when, it's melted and all that good stuff, it's gonna be stamped concrete or exposed pavement.
You always have some goodies. Whew.
Yes. Look, this, yes, and then the window, right?
But this
Yeah.
isn't made for me.
No, I know, I think everyone that's up is like, oh, that's very high,
Mm-hmm.
but whatever.
I think that's okay.
At least-
If yeah.
Right? Like, wouldn't it be worse? if
Oh,
it
but
was-
oh no, that's too high. Like why?
Get us-
I can't even get up here. Look at that.
Yeah, I know.
But I guess it comes at the expense of having that view. So you get to
So-
choose view or
That's
reach the
right.
top of your cupboard.
That's absolutely it. And at least, like, say they were shorter, what would you do? Just put stuff on top? At least you
Yeah.
can have sometimes stuff up there.
Yeah.
Everyone needs that.
Stove goes here.
Yep.
I'm guessing,
Stove,
yeah.
Yep, and then dishwasher here.
Mm-hmm.
This story is giving me an idea because we haven't bought the lights as it can still look.
Yep. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
Mr. Anderson, you get your house.
Okay, get it.
Working on it. Working on it.
I think I need a new house.
See, I guess the saying is true. I guess the saying is true. Can't please women.
Yeah. There.
So it's 3 level?
Well, yeah, we've got basement. So basement, generally 90% of, I would say 99% of the time, always unfinished and new builds.
Yeah, okay. So this is unfinished?
Yeah.
Gotcha. We can have a party in here. I love it.
Right?
Yeah. I like the black facets. What's that?
That does come out.
I'm trying not to break it. Okay guys, gonna go and take a look in the basement, see what's going on. Well, the basement is unfinished, as Anna just said, but just want you guys to see. So it's unfinished, but you have space for at least 2 more rooms down here. A laundry room. Nice. Lots of space. Let's go back up. Alright guys, let's go up these stairs. I think I really like this design right here for the railing. The black and white contrast is really nice. Of the lights. So as mentioned before, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. This is the first bedroom I'm coming into. I'm guessing this one is the master suite. You have a walk-in closet, consistent with the black and white theme. Really nice. Then you have an ensuite bathroom right here. What's a nuts? You have an is on her right here. This is good. Nice bathtub. Standing shower. Oh, this is nice. Of your toilet. What I really like is that you have a door right here for the toilet as well, so you can be using the toilet and your other half could be showering as well. Tag team it. So Nats, you were saying that you want to buy this house?
I want another house.
Want another house? Absolutely. So what do you think about this house so far?
I really like this house, the natural lights, because there's a lot of lights. Even the ceiling nice, I like this as well. The black and white and the brown. It plays
Contrast very well.
Yeah.
Nice. I like it too. Okay guys, I'm not sure. This seems like it's just is this the laundry room? I'm not sure. But there's a faucet in here. Yeah, definitely the laundry room. Here we go. And I like that you have a sink. It's not very common for you to have a sink in a laundry room, so that's a nice addition. I love it. One of the challenges that we have here is that you hardly find laundry room that has a sink in it, but sometimes you need to wash stuff with your hands. This is the main bathroom. It's not as fancy as the ensuite one, but still pretty nice. I really like the black and white theme right throughout. The cupboards, the fixtures, really nice. Nice. This is a brand new house also, guys. No one has ever lived in this house before. It's a new build. Then this is the second bedroom, guys. Not as big as the master bedroom, but still big enough, I'd say, for a king size bed. That's what I usually use to measure the size. Can't hold a king?
Queen.
Oh, queen with space.
It's my closet. I'm so short.
Yeah.
Space.
Yeah, this is another walk-in closet. Again, it's not the main bedroom, so it's not as big as the main bedroom's closet, but this is still big enough for a second bedroom. I really like the lighting and the natural light, guys. It's big. And then this back here right now is the third bedroom. This one is bigger. Natural light again, guys. Black and white trimmings. I love it. It's consistent. And the brown. And another closet. This is similar to the second bedroom's closet, so they kept that pretty consistent. Of course, guys, if you are interested in this house, The realtor's information will be in the video description, so feel free to look into it and connect with them if you're interested in this house. So it's not every day you get to sit in a bathtub. So let's see if I can fit in this tub. I've been losing weight, so let's see. I'll have to fold my legs, but it's good enough. No complaints. You want to come and join me?
No, it's good.
There's space for two of us.
Oh, I'm good.
There's space for both of us. Sit right here.
Not that small.
Yeah, this is, as you guys can see, this is big enough to hold me, so size of a tub. Yeah.